Good morning, children. Today we'll continue with reactions of haloarenes. Haloarenes, as we have studied, it contains halo group bonded to aromatic ring. Halo group is ortho and para-directing. Now, what is this ortho and para-directing nature? As we know, halogen contains these 7 valence electrons. This lone pair of electron can come to this position, bond position, and this bond position electron pair can come to this atom position. So first shift is from atom to bond, next is bond to atom. This way this becomes positively charged, this bond acquires partial double bond character, and there is increased electron density in ortho position. In next move, from atom to bond, bond to atom. So atom to bond, bond to atom, we got here increased electron density in para position. Next move is from atom to bond, bond to atom. So we have once again increased electron density in ortho position, and lastly it reverts back onto its own atom. So this way entire double bond system, pi-electron system is reversed. As you know, these are 5 resonating structures of chlorobenzene, and due to this halo group bonded to aromatic ring behaves as an ortho and para-directing group. So in electrophilic substitution reaction, now why it will give electrophilic substitution reaction? So if you will see, there is a negative charge increased here in aromatic ring. So the ring is full of electrons. So it will be attacked by electrophile. Electrophile is positively charged species. So E plus can attack and grab those electrons and bond them. So first reaction we have to study is in electrophilic substitution reaction. First we study nitration. In nitration our reagent will be concentrated HNO3 and mixture of concentrated H2SO4. Now main reagent is HNO3, which provides us with electrophile NO2. So this NO2 plus from HNO3 acts as an electrophile and it substitutes ortho position and para position. Now this is chlorobenzene. Here H is present. So that H is removed and it is replaced by NO2 electrophile. And that H combines with OH from HNO3 to give you byproduct, that is water. So H of ortho position can be eliminated or H of para position can be eliminated and NO2 will replace those positions. So first reaction nitration. Nitration means replacement of H of aromatic ring by NO2 plus. So our product is ortho-nitrochlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene, or 2-nitrochlorobenzene and 4-nitrochlorobenzene. Now this is obtained as a minor product, ortho product is obtained as a minor product and para product is obtained as a major product. The reason is para product has got symmetric structure. So it fits in the crystal lattice well. It has a symmetry. Due to its symmetric nature, it is obtained as a major product and also it has got higher boiling point. Ortho will have lower than that of para. Second reaction, we have halogenation. Halogenation is replacement of H of aromatic ring with halogen atom, X plus. When it is treated with Cl2, from Cl2 one Cl acts as an electrophile and other Cl acts as a nucleophile. This bond breaks in a heterolytic manner. So ortho and para position once again gets substituted and we get di-substituted product 1,2 dichlorobenzene and 1,4 dichlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene gives you di-substituted product. Once again, this is obtained as a minor product and this is obtained as a major product. Para products are always major. Next we have sulfonation. As the name suggests, sulfonation, the sulfonic group will come from concentrated sulfuric acid. Here we don't require HNO3. If we take HNO3, nitration will occur, not sulfonation. So in sulfonation, replacement by SO3H group. So it will bond through sulfur. Once again, here also byproduct is HCl. The H is combining with another Cl, so byproduct is HCl. I write it here. In this, byproduct will be water. H will combine with OH from acid. So once again, when we treated chlorobenzene with sulfuric acid concentrated, which is I have written as HOSO3H, we'll get orthochlorosulfonic acid and parachlorosulfonic acid. Since sulfonic acid is a major or priority based functional group, it is obtained and other is obtained as a byproduct. Other is written as not preferred group. Byproduct here is water. So we get orthochlorosulfonic acid and parachlorosulfonic acid. So after 3 electrophilic substitution reaction, the next and most important electrophilic substitution reactions are Friedel-Crafts reactions. Speciality of Friedel-Crafts reaction is there are two types, alkylation and acylation. Alkylation, our reagent is haloalkane itself, and for acylation our reagent is acetic anhydride or acyl chlorides. We have seen this in 11th standard too with benzene. So in Friedel-Crafts reaction, if it is alkylation, our electrophile will be R plus, and R plus we will obtain from the reagent Rx. So this is chlorobenzene plus Rx. Here we need a catalyst, anhydrous AlCl3 acts as a catalyst, and our product is this R acts as an electrophile. It bonds either in ortho position or it bonds in para position. If it is in para position, it is major product. If it is in ortho position, it is minor product. So particular example you practice by taking different R. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acyl group is C double bond O single bond CH3. and this comes from either acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride. Here I forgot to write the byproduct. Byproduct will be HX. This X combines with H which is removed from here. Now this is acetyl chloride, acyl chloride or acyl halide. It could be X also. Once again, catalyst is anhydrous AlCl3 and we get two products. One is ortho position substituted with C double bond O single bond CH3 group. So this bond breaks here and C double bond O bonds to aromatic ring. And the other product is now name of this compound will be orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone, because major functional group here is ketonic group and ketonic group is bonded to aromatic ring, so phenyl ring. So acetyl group, so acetophenone. So orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone, this is major, this is minor. Now the same reaction you can also carry out using acetic anhydride. So that reaction you practice on your own. So we'll stop here today, and in the next lecture we'll complete the lesson by learning the last set of reaction, that is substitution nucleophilic reaction for haloarenes, which is difficult to take place.